What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. Yeah! So for today's video, I am going to be, of course, doing this look for you guys here. I really wanted to do something for New Year's since it's coming up. I'm hoping to do one more New Year's type look that will probably go up on New Year's Day. But this, I feel sexy, okay? Like this, if you've seen my full outfit, which I'm not gonna show, but I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll probably post, because this is what I'm gonna wear. This outfit is actually what I'm gonna wear for New Year's. So follow me on Instagram, you wanna see the full fit. Definitely, yeah, follow my Instagram, 381 makeup, which is also the same as my TikTok as well as my YouTube here. I am going to be doing my eyes as well as my face makeup because I feel like we needed the full shebang bang today, right? If we're going to have a holiday glam, we need to get fully glam. But I am going to do my base makeup silently since I really don't have much to say. You take it and you apply that bitch, you know what I mean? So I will be showing you guys the full like application process and the products that I'm using and all of that good stuff. I got an eyelash in my eyeball. So if you want to see how I created this gorgeous full face makeup for New Year's, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. Oh my god. My son had me put a movie on, and then I put it on and he walked away. I already primed my eyelids with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. I'm just gonna get those creases out. I do have a movie on for my kiddos, so I'm sorry kind of yelling at the camera like I always do. So for today, I'm going to be taking the Blend Bunny Cosmetic Blends palette. It's just iconic. It's just iconic, baby. And we're gonna get real crazy. I'm gonna start by going in with the black, which is called Nevermore. Okay, so I'm gonna take this fluffy Dress Up Multi-10 brush, and I'm gonna start by taking that black shade. And I'm just going to apply this on the back half of my eyelid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to start by packing it down, and then I'll lightly blend the edges out. Really just soften them up. Honestly, this palette it's just so, the quality, girl. The Blend Bunny Cosmetic palettes are better than any Jeffree Star palette I've ever used. So Jeffree Star is like a big brand, you know what I mean? No hate, no tea, no shade, but these palettes are freaking amazing. And she's about to reveal her her next like neutral palette. I'm gonna buy it. I already know I'm gonna buy it. I have to. Her formula is too good. I need every shade in her formula. So we're just gonna go right about here. I want to use a fluffy brush because really I'm just gonna go in with the black and the gray on this side of it. So it's nice to have a fluffy brush because, you know, just trying to be real blown out. So now what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm just going to take the gray shade right next to it, which is called Intuition. And I'm going to take this on a little Morphe brush. Came in a set of 4. And I'm going to keep it just right above the black. I'm not going to take it in any further because I'm going to do some browns on that side. So I'm just going to go in little circles and really buff this out. Then I'm just going to take a clean brush and soften the edges. I'll perfect that more once I get the rest of the colors down. I'm going to take this brown shade right in the corner, which is called Depth. And I'm going to take this on a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm going to put this the rest of the way in. And then next, I'm going to take the shade Mama Bear. Love that one. Love that name. And I'm going to take this on a Makeup Shack T82 brush. So it's just small, but it's also like real fluffy for blending. And I'm just going to do little circle motions right over the brown. Just effortless, honestly. Like, done. Look at that. Effortless, baby. Alright, so now I'm going to take it's not dirty, it's just stained, but I'm going to take this like more fluffy brush. This is a doe clip brush, but the name rubbed off. I'm going to take this shade right here called Truth. And I'm just going to go right over the edges and really soften those up. Okay. So it looks pretty good. I'm going to go through and I'm going to really intensify all of the shades and blend them a little bit better. And then we come back and cut out the crease. So now I'm going to take my handy dandy Vaseline and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out my crease really quickly. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this P. Louise Re-White Base in... That was stupid, I just said the name. I'm going to take the P. Louise White Base in the shade Re-White. And I'm going to lay it down so I can have that really nice crisp line. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a smaller brush. Let me find one. So I'm going to take this really small brush and I'm just going to tap over the edges a little bit just to make sure that that white is blended out. Then I'm going to go back in with the shade Nevermore, which is the black, and I'm going to take this in a winged liner shape. So just like that. Then I'm going to take on that shape, on the same brush, I'm going to take the dark brown shade called Depth. And I'm going to put that also in a wing liner shape. I'm going to wipe the brush off, and then I'm going to take the shade Mama Bear, same brush, same shape. Then I'm going to take a tiny fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the shade Truth. I'm going to go right over that. And then with the same brush, I'm going to wipe it off, and I'm going to take the shade Cream and Sugar, which is just the white in that exact same row. Hey, I used the whole row. We used the whole bottom row today. Wow, look at me go. I'm so excited. And I'm just going to set this shade down. And then I'm just going to go back and forth between all of those colors until they fade into each other seamlessly. Okay, so this looks really good just how it is. Honestly, you can leave it, but I'm a extra ass bitch. I think we all know that at this point. I'm gonna take this Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Disco. It's just this nice silver. And then I'm actually gonna take this, you could use Inglot Duraline. I'm personally gonna use the Mayron Mixing. Face makeup looks really good. I'm going to, I think I'm just gonna take, I want to do like a smoky eye, like it's kind of like a black smoky eye, I'm thinking. I'm just gonna take the black and the gray, so I'll start with the black. Nevermore. And I'm just gonna put this all across. And then I'm just gonna take this fluffy but flat brush and take the shade Intuition, which is the gray. I'm gonna buff that out. Then I'm gonna take the big fluffy brush that I use to like clean up, I guess, like soften the edges. I'm gonna dip a little bit of that gray in it and just kind of make sure that my eyeshadow's blended into the rest of my makeup. Literally, that's it. And then I'll take some of my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Run that baby up. And then my lash of choice today is going to be the Ioni lashes in the style Wispy Cat Eye. These are so freaking cute. These are my favorite lashes, like the planet Earth. Okay, so here is the completed look. Not 100% about the hair, because I don't know. I think always like little stick-ups from the bangs look silly, kind of like when I do like this. But anyways, besides that, I think that everything else came out really, really cute. I think that this definitely is a really nice like New Year's look. I'll probably end up doing something like this for actual New Year's. And then look at this. I got this cute little outfit. Like, she's cute. She's real cute. And it's really soft. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do something similar to this for New Year's. I feel like whenever it comes to New Year's, you always think like silver, black, brown, smoky eye, you know what I mean? So this definitely is a very like holiday vibe, like super cute, like hair out of the way, you could like drink, have fun, you know what I mean? So these are the vibes. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead and roll the clip.